How to use Freedcamp project management step-by-step beginner tutorial to Freedcamp. So here's your beginner's guide and pretty much how to use this little tool over here. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is to of course sign up and check the dashboard overview. You can register using your email or Google Facebook account. So once you've logged in, you can go ahead and see your My Works, your tasks and upcoming items. You can see your important updates, your mentions, tasks, discussions, projects, and weekly overviews. So you can see your global boards here in the top left corner. If you want to do so, you can go ahead and have conversations and chats with your friends and coworkers. So make sure to favorite them to have them always appear in the sidebar. Also, you can see your account menu in the bottom left corner. You can access to the most important pages of the system like your system or account, and the help and support is over here. So if you want to go ahead and learn more, you can always go ahead and check that out. So you have the global search. You can search across projects and apps. You have the quick add, the fastest way to create an item from anywhere in Freedcamp. You also have the bookmark, so you can save places in the system, notifications. You'll be able to see information that has happened, and you'll be up to date. The work panel is over here. You can view important tasks and notifications, and also create them. Your agenda is your accompanying workload in a calendar format, so here you can adapt and adjust your work. So those are the basic stuffs you can find in Freedcamp. You can create a group project, add apps to your project if you want to do so, but mainly if you want to add a task, it's basically right here directly in your full board. You can add a task, put in a project name if you want to. You can quick add if you want, and you can also add a full add form. Also, item title, which is required if you want to do so. You can see your agenda over here, as mentioned before, your conversations and your projects. You can always go ahead and create over here and create more conversations. Quick add as much you want, tasks, discussions, issues, calendar events, and I can also add wikis. But anyways, you can go ahead and explore Freedcamp over here since it is a user-friendly tool. It's very accessible. You don't need to pay for anything to start off for free, and most of the features are already unlocked once you signed in. But anyways, those are most of the basics you could find in Freedcamp. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.